In this video, you will see how to prepare yourself for the next meeting and how to create an email by using a Copilot. When you are inside of the Outlook, you can start by opening an email, and here you can see that you have the Copilot icon. Start typing, and here I copy my prompt. I want to write an email to specific purpose, and you can define the scope and the purpose by yourself. What is kind of your task and the outcome. Then it's gonna be starting to think, what did I ask and what kind of a tone I want to be writing it. And it's recognizing me, so it remembers what kind of a style of writing I'm usually using. And then it's going to be giving you the suggestion. You can keep it or you can modify that one. It's free to choose, and it's also giving you ideas what else you could be adding in this email. Now I want to be modifying it. I chose the text, and here I can find already pre-done options. For example, change the tone. I want to make it a bit more casual, so it's not so business-like. So let's make it a bit more casual. And it's automatically writing me and giving me a suggestion, and I can replace the existing text, or I can insert it or modify it, so it's all the time possible to do. Then I'm gonna be sending the email to different person, and when I'm sending the email, it's gonna be reminding me that hey, this is done by AI, good to verify that is it okay. Now it's sent. Then I wanna be looking at what kind of things I have in my calendar and how to prepare on different topics. So I can ask the calendar that, hey, help me prepare for my day today. And it's gonna be looking at my calendar, what kind of meetings I have, how to prepare those things, and what should I consider, and do I have a break in the day? So it gives me a nice view. I use this many times, even during the day I use for the preparation of the meetings, but in this case it's gonna be showing me in the whole day what I have and what kind of breaks I have and what kind of focus and how to handle the gaps. So there's empty places in my calendar, so how to handle those ones. Then I would like to be getting ready for the next meeting. I can go and ask the next meeting from the Copilot, hey, what's my next meeting and what's the objective and how do I prepare myself? And this is going to be looking at my calendar and looking at all the other data also, and it gives me a good understanding that how can I prepare myself? What is the next meeting? What is the purpose? Who's going to be participating on that one? So this kind of tips helped me quite a lot during the daytime. So you can just always ask different things from Copilot, and it's going to be part of your daily life all the time.